An aerial view of the Novel University Place apartment complex in Charlotte, North Carolina. Text: equal housing opportunity. An exterior view of Novel University Place's leasing office. A person makes a cup of coffee in an apartment kitchen that has stainless steel appliances. The person drinks their coffee and reads a book on their balcony. A person enters a gym that has ellipticals, treadmills, stationary bikes, and weight training equipment. A person runs on a treadmill in the gym. A person carries their laptop into a co-working area and sits by a window at a desk with a plush chair and a lamp. A person relaxes on a lounge chair in a patio area next to an in-ground pool. A person prepares a glass of untapped beer at Armored Cow Brewing. A person enters Boardwalk Billy's Raw Bar and Ribs restaurant. People walk around the pond at University Place. People sit together in a balcony off of a community room in the apartment complex that overlooks the pool and patio area. Text: Novel University Place by Crescent Communities. An aerial view of the Novel University Place apartment complex and its close proximity to shopping and dining areas.